Hello everyone, today I am reviewing this product that was sent to me. It's called the company Infilila and it's the Pro Nail wipes, as you can see there. I've already taken off the press-ons that I had to make the time shorter, but I still have some glue residue. I still have some nail polish residue, so I wanted to be able to test these out. It is said to be lint free and it comes 600 pieces, so I'm super excited to test this product out. I like that they come very sealed. And let's see here what I can feel. It is very thick and wow, okay, it is very strong. So now I have here is pure acetone. Okay, I like that it holds quite a bit of acetone on there and it doesn't leak out. So I've had other lint wipes that when you use them it gets everywhere, and this right here is perfect. It hasn't leaked or anything. Let's go ahead and try this. Oh wow, okay. That's nice. It doesn't tear. Wow. I wonder how many fingers I can go through with one of these little wipies. That's nice. Hasn't been undone yet. Some lint wipes you have to use a whole bunch, even for basic cleaning. And so far, so good. Trying to stay in frame here. Yep, it's cleaning up pretty well. Don't mind my dry hands. This is due to the acetone. And once again, it's pure, so. This is really good. These are by far the best wipes I have tried out. And these you can get on Amazon. It did ship very fast. Like I said, they sent this out for me to test out. Yep. Nice. And it's still intact. Well, I'm pulling now. But, wow. Impressed. I'm going to clean underneath the nails. And it's still intact. I am very, very delighted. So I would check them out. It says they come 600 pieces. And I like that I can still seal the package or put them in a container, whatever you want to do. So this is the brand. And again, lots of pieces come in there. You can have some on your desk, put them in a container. These are very, very nice, or leave it like that. If you're limited to space, you can just put them together, put a little bit of tape, and put it just anywhere. It won't be in the way. Well, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. You guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.